Hello everyone, my name is Jake Jesty and I co-own Sound Evolution. We are absolutely excited to be picked in the top 12 retailers for the year 2022. I have been here for 5 years now. My role here is the head of sales, ordering all the products, managing the floor, as well as the install bay. I also help design systems and other features we offer here at the store. I love coming to work and working with a great team that's driven and wants to succeed in their careers. I have said it once and I'll say it again. Without my hardworking team that puts long hours, hard working ethic, and the passion to be the best in the industry, we wouldn't be where we are today. I would say my best skill I have is to manage the entire team and handling stress. Not every day is perfect and goes the way everyone plans it to be, but by keeping the team positive and helping them solve day-to-day issues one step at a time surely makes us strive to be successful.
Hi there, this is Jess Jesty with Sound Evolution here in Houston, Texas, and I co-own this establishment with my brother Jake. We started this business in 2017 and have been at this location since then. Some of my primary duties include accounting, ordering parts and accessories, business permitting and licensing, social media, content creation, managing dealership accounts, and merch for the store. My favorite thing about working at Sound Evolution is having the ability to meet great people in this industry and build some cool projects for clients that then proceed to go to shows and then win awards for the said installs. Definitely a great feeling when that happens. Something that I bring to the table and excel at is the social media marketing portion, and definitely promoting the business is my strong point, whether it is using several platforms or hosting and sponsoring meets and car shows in the surrounding areas. We do whatever it takes to get our name out there to increase sales and awareness for the company. Along with Retailer of the Year award, I believe we can be considered for some of the other performance awards as well. If you look at our social media pages and several portions of this video, you will notice over the years we have made improvements within the store and the installation bays. All these changes have definitely affected our sales performance and store culture in a positive manner, helping us be more profitable and keep our customers coming back for more.
Hey, my name's Chris Brown. I just moved here from California, and I'm the latest addition on the Sound Evolution roster, and I've been here for 2 months. My role as a 12-volt specialist is to work on simple to high-caliber builds, starting from wiring up amplifiers to door speaker installs, OEM integration, and remote starts and alarms. What I like most about working at Sound Evolution is that I get to work alongside with some of the best veteran installers and fabricators in the Houston and surrounding areas.
Hello, my name is James Mitchell, and I've been a part of the Sound Evolution family for just over 2 years. My role in the Bay is 12-volt specialist for automotive and marine. I also specialize in basic to advanced custom fabrication with the determination to become a master in the field. What I love the most about Sound Evolution is no matter what job comes in, big or small, we make sure to excel in all aspects possible to give the customer the experience and an everlasting impression.
Hello, my name is James Bradley, and I've worked at Sound Evolution for 9 months. My role here is an apprentice in the shop. I assist my coworkers with builds as I learn techniques to become a competent 12-volt installer. I also manage all breathalyzer clients for installation and servicing. What I like most about working at Sound Evolution is that I get to learn skills from amazing installers as I grow professionally.
Hello, my name is Chase Bojan. I have been a part of the Sound Evolution team for 8 months. My role here is leading the install bay, high-end fabrication, integration, and tuning, as well as helping our team stay up to date with the latest technology in these newer vehicles. I love working at Sound Evolution because Jake and Jess are always open to my unique system design and ideas, as well as providing support with the best tools and materials we'll need for those special projects. This client came in requesting to have a fully integrated laser and radar system for his 2022 Porsche Panamera. I built IR transparent acrylic holders for the RX and TX sensors for the front and rear, as well as flushing the remaining sensors in the bumper. For the rear center license plate to stay serviceable, I built custom magnetic license plate holder with IR acrylic. With us being the only Singer radar dealer in Texas and other neighboring states, it gives us opportunities to work on unique projects such as this 2022 Porsche Panamera.
Sound Evolution's open Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. For our customers, we have a waiting area with chairs, cold water, Wi-Fi internet, and also a TV where they can watch their favorite movies or shows on Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. We offer a lifetime warranty on all labor and a 1-year warranty on all products purchased at our store as long as there's no physical damage or abuse. To greet all customers, we start off by saying, "Welcome to Sound Evolution," or over the phone, "Thank you for choosing Sound Evolution. My name is Jake, and how can I help you?" Sound Evolution is unique because we offer the best customer service and complete customization of any vehicle with every service we provide. Starting from a simple radio and door speaker install, radar systems, sound quality and tuning the vehicle to full SPL builds. We are the only shop in the area to offer all these services in-house. The detail we provide the clients from the entire purchase, start to finish, which includes being respectful and listening to the client's needs, all the way to finishing the installs in a timely manner. If it's a full custom build, head to toe of any vehicle, we provide a complete hand wash and detailing of the interior so it makes a mark on the customer's perspective in a positive manner. Our staff is responsible to keep their work areas clean after every install. Once the vehicle is delivered, they make sure the bay is cleaned before the next vehicle is pulled in. Every client's vehicle is handled with care by keeping the work area clean, which also keeps us efficient. At the end of the workday, the entire bay is cleaned together by the entire staff to get it ready for the next day. We highly encourage our staff to be MECP certified. Currently, 40% of our staff is MECP certified. We provide books, study materials, and prep tests for our entire staff. We are shooting for our entire staff to be certified here in the near future. We understand by being certified through MECP, our staff's knowledge and confidence to grow is highly needed. With our staff being certified, it will give confidence to our clients knowing their vehicles will be in good hands. For an incentive, once certified, their classes and trainings will be paid in full by Sound Evolution, and they also get a pay increase according to their certification and level of expertise. We also make sure they attend multiple trainings hosted by our vendors like Alpine and MSC America. We also make sure we attend Knowledge Fest held in Dallas every year. For sales and marketing, our number one ally is using social media. Facebook and Instagram help us showcase our work, keeping everyone informed about our sales, and also keeps us connected with our current and future clients since we do have a huge following. Using social media, our sales has increased by 40%. We also attend and sponsor dozens of shows throughout the year, starting from truck and car shows, all the way to benefits that is hosted by our Polaris Slingshot community. We are definitely involved in the community when there is help needed.